Welcome to our brand new society. Behold, as happy as can be. Welcome to the OSC. Probably wondering, what does OSC stand for? OSC stands for the things that do stand for. They're the three guiding principles that we strive to uphold in our community. Always for order, I keep things organized. This is for safety that way nobody dies. Peace and cooperation, no competition, that's the key. That's the key. Total satisfaction is a guarantee.